Just thinking about you puts a smile on my face. I want to grow old with you. Every time our hands touch, I feel a spark. Every time we embrace, I feel on top of the world. I love you. You are the most beautiful person, both inside and out. I am so lucky to have you as my girlfriend. You are my true love and my soulmate. A million kisses to the most amazing woman I know. If someone were to ask me about my ideal woman, I would not have had the words to describe you. You have surpassed all expressions, fantasies, and dreams combined. Your beauty, intelligence, and kindness make me fall in love with you every day. You are my everything. Sometimes it feels like I am dreaming, but then I realize it's all real. Thank you for me. I want to make you the happiest woman in the world. Beneath an endless sky where clouds softly draft, I stand in silence. My heart begins to lift, warped in shades of forest green. A moment carved, serene, unseen. The wind humus secrets through the air. It all it speaks is your love so rare. This wide expanse, this open plain feels softer somehow without the strain. For every step I take, every breath I draw, your love remains my guiding lay. The horizon stretches, the flowers bloom, but none compare to your sweet perfume. My head casts shadows, my face in light, yet your warmth outshines the sun's delight. The world feels posed, the sighs alien to echo softly. You are mine. The chords may dance, the winds may play, but thoughts of you won't fade away. Oh, my love, my endless moss in every path my heart will choose. Your presence shines, your spirit sings. You are my queen, my everything. In every fold of this emerald coat lays a promise, a whispered note that every road and every sky will carry love that cannot die. This stance I hold, this steady pause is strength I found where our love grows. My gaze it wanders to the below, but always it returns to you. The earth may struggle, the skies may fall, but your love, my dear, outshines them all. The purple blooms beneath my feet are like your words, so soft and sweet. The distance hills, the open plains, mirror love that still remains for every shadow, every light reflects your beauty, pure and bright. My back carries fight and care, but your love is lighter, floating air, each beacon fastened, every clip feels like your hand within my grasp and talk. This path is meant to roam. Your love remains my trust home. Oh, my darling, my heart's embrace. Your love has left a sacred trace in every cold, in every breath, in whispered songs among the trees. No words could truly paint or wave the depth of love that we believe. So here I stand beneath the sky, my heart with you. It cannot lay for thug. The road ahead is wide. I feel you walking by my side with every step, with every mile. I see your face, I see your smile, and when the sun begins to set, I will think of you without regret, for love like ours, so pure, so true, is it in sights of endless blue.